to fix our acre. This is called gantry train. So we have two control panel. Yeah, this is one, and the other control panel here. Okay. This overhead crane is a problem. It's not stringing right, and it's not moving down. So the possible cause is we have some safety devices here. Do you see? Okay, you can look at top here. Do you see the top? So these are some of the safety. So you can see. So these are some of the safety devices. So we have contactors, and these are switch. This switch is used to is on the off side. But first and foremost, we have already checked before. You have to check your voltage. If your voltage is down, now you can see it's a 3-phase equipment. I'm at 397. You see it? I'm at 397. Then I check the other phase if the phase is complete. So the phase is complete. Okay, you can see. So right now I'm going down to check for the phase voltage. I'm going to turn it on whether the voltage is passing our switch. Okay, now I've turned it on. You can see voltage is passing our switch. So please take the camera to the job we are doing. So I've tested the phase. We have voltage in each of these contactors. So right now I'm going to check this contactor if there's supply on top. So now you can see the supply on top of this contactor. So I'm going to try the other phase. Okay, now you can see this contactor. So there's supply. So we can see, we are just trying to see if there's supply. Okay, wow. And put my terminal where and see what is giving me. Okay, it was giving me low. So I place this where it's giving me 398. So I'm taking it to test this other one. Okay, 400 is a voltage. So now we have test. Thank you. We have 397. This to this, we have 398. There's voltage all over. There's voltage. So right now let me also check this. Okay, this one is different. In this one we have this contactor K23 is, we are not seeing any voltage here. There's no voltage. But I think this is quite different. If you can check, if you can take a look at this contactor, I'm seeing this K21. We are going to the drawing, but we are going to the drawing for foremost. I said, okay, let me check K21. So this takes us to the drawing. The offset is not coming down. Okay, we have to go to our drawing. Please check. What are we looking for? We are looking for K21, K22, and K23. Okay. You see, it's not Austin. It's Austin motor is not working, except you press the contactor. Except you press K22 or K21, and you see when you see the Austin motor is coming down. If you can see this Austin motor, so you have to check the contactors. K21, you can see K21. Then we have to also check all the voltage is coming from T32. Please check if there is T32 there. Check for the other. So you can see these are current transformer. DC, you can see from these are current transformer. This transformer, you can see this T32. So from your drawing, this is the current transformer. It's giving the current control. This is the current control system. Okay, this is the current control system. So right now you can see we have the K21. Please, we have the K21. Come closer. Bring your drawing. Bring your camera. Come closer. This K21, and come to the contactor. We have a K21. So come to my drawing. We have a K22. So you can see K22, and then we also have this K22. Okay, do you see? Come to my drawing. You can see we have K22. So K22 is playing a vertical role. So then what else again are we looking for? We also have K23. You see, this is the K23. So I'm going to be showing you what this K23 is doing. Okay, so right now you can see they are all connected from the drawing. Please bring your camera closer. Let's check. Let's start with the drawing. You can see this is K21, K22. So it's for sideways. You can see they all take from this current transformer. So one is for forward, down, and one is for Austin up. So right now I'm going to press my this is my control system. This is my control system. So right now this is my control system. This is for Austin down, and Austin up and down. This is for sideways movement, going to your left and your right hand side. Then why this is for traveling forward and back movement. So right now I'm going to test my Austin. Okay, I'm going down. So I'm going down. You can see check. I'm going down now. So you can see. So, one thing about contactor, if you are checking down, maybe you want to see if the voltage is passing down. No, it won't pass down until you activate it. That is when you can carry your ready down. So we are creating this video for every one of you to follow, and also subscribe to our channel. You will have some technical skill. So immediately after this job, we are going to upload this video, and also we are also going to teach you how to operate gantry crane. We are going to teach you the side way, and we're also going to teach you the principle behind this gantry tray. You have safety devices. If you travel above that safety device, above that limit, your vehicle will stop. And again too, we also have some reset. These are some of the resets. We have one here. Can you just see? Go back. You can see. I personally drop this setting here. We also have other setting at the other end. So I'm going to show you. It's back of that place. It's okay. So it's back. So just come back. So right now we are going to test and lock this overhead crane. We are coming down to test. Thank you. Subscribe to our page, and you will be receiving more of our technical video. And if you also have any challenge, any issue on your equipment, domestic and industrial, please kindly send to our channel for us to also put some efforts to see how we can help you to resolve your problem. So just call us on our number and also send us message on our page. Thank you.